In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for market research. By the end, you'll know how to find demand patterns, spot breakout topics, and turn search behavior into practical ideas for your product or content strategy. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Trends. Once the homepage loads, click Explore. This takes you to the main dashboard where you can analyze interest for any topic. You'll see controls for location, time range, category, and search type. Think of these as lenses you can adjust to make the data more relevant to your market. Click, add a search term, then type a keyword or topic that represents your market. As you type, you'll notice suggestions that are either search terms or broader topics. A topic groups many related queries and languages, which can be helpful if your market uses different phrasing. Choose the option that best matches your intent. For example, YouTube automation as a topic will capture more variations than a single phrase. Now look at interest over time. This line chart shows relative popularity from 0 to 100, where 100 is the peak for your selected period and region. It's not total search volume, it's a normalized score, which makes it great for comparing momentum and seasonality. Hover over the line to see exact values on specific dates. Notice peaks and dips. Sharp spikes can indicate news-driven curiosity, while steady climbs suggest growing, durable interest. If the line is flat or very low, consider trying a synonymous term or adjusting the time range to get a clearer read. Below the chart, you'll find sections that reveal what people actually type alongside your topic. Commonly searched queries help you understand language, intent, and adjacent needs. These terms can guide product positioning or content angles. Think how to, best, or near me patterns that hint at research versus purchase intent. You'll also see top queries and rising queries. Top queries are the most popular related searches overall in your chosen period. They help you anchor your messaging to what the largest share of users already wants. Rising queries highlight terms growing the fastest. These are your early signals, great for catching trends before they saturate. If a term shows a rapid surge, consider investigating why it's spiking and whether that momentum aligns with your offer. Use these insights together. Validate demand with the interest chart, shape messaging with top queries, and discover new opportunities with rising queries. Repeat this workflow with different keywords, time windows, and regions to stress test your ideas and build a data-backed market view.